In today's video, I will show how you can just change your Shopify store URL name. So to do that, you have to just log in or sign up with your Shopify account that you're using. So first of all, you have to buy a plan because Shopify gives you like a live online website when you purchase your plan. So to purchase your plan, you can just select here plan, or you can just go to your settings and here's the option known as plan. You can select this and choose a plan. So this is necessary because Shopify then allows you to change. So you have to buy a basic plan or advanced plan, or like if you want to go with a plus plan, you can just go. Okay. So here the basic difference in like basic and advanced plan is like the transactions fee. As you can see, the transaction fee of the basic plan is about like a 2% and advanced plan about like a 0.5%, and the currency conversion same as goes to 1.5 and in advanced plan you can just go international out of out of your border business, and in basic plan you can just like it will be on your location, and from here you can just select the international pricing. So for example, in a basic plan, if you list a product like it's that like in our like for example in India, there the currency is rupee, so it will be shown in rupee. If the US merchant want to buy or US like a customer will want to buy, they can't buy on your basic plan. So if you buy the advanced plan, your business is like an on international level. You can just push the pricing in like dollars, euro, whichever you want. Okay. So this is the difference in between a basic and advanced. So when you want to just uh, like go with the advanced plan, so you can just choose advanced plan here, and from here you can see we have a two option of yearly and monthly. Yearly Shopify gives you offer, you can just save a $1,200, and from monthly you have to pay approx like a 399, and in I yearly you have to pay 299, but you have to pay one time here like a $3,588, and here you can just pay a monthly about like a $400. So when you will confirm your billing cycle, then here you have to add your legal business address and your phone number. Okay, so it is important, and if you want to take, you can just take this store is registered a business. Okay, registered a business. Okay, so you can just take this if you want. So when you have fill this both, then here comes to payment method. So Shopify gives you a two payment method of credit card and PayPal. So you can choose like one of them. So I am like suggesting you can just choose a PayPal because PayPal is available globally. Okay, and this is easy to use, but it may charges you fee in your country like a transaction fee. So if you like able to use your credit card, you can just use a credit card. So if you want to use a credit card, just you can use a credit card. Okay, so you can just fill the details and you can just use. So after all of this, you have to just go to your settings option, as you can see. So here you can see we have to just fill our business also your billing information. So you can just fill from here same as per go to your business legal name and address, apartment, your your city and your zip code. So when you have done with these things, and you have to select the currency, store currency or default currency, and here you can just select this option. So yeah, if you want to select. So after doing this, you have to just go to here as domains. So in domain section, we have a two option to buy a new domain or like connect existing domain. So we don't have to click on this. Okay, we have to click on this because we are changing our URL name for our Shopify store, not our like our domain. Okay, so if you want to change this name, you have to buy a new domain. Like it's okay. So if you want to change your my Shopify store name, you can just click on here, change to a new name. Just click here, and from here you can just choose. For example, I'm choosing like sample, uh, sample store store for you. We can search like this, sample store for you. We can just add the domain to a Shopify. So it's been added for free. So let's check. We can just check here. Okay. So here you can see it's a primary domain and target your online store. So let's just check our online store domain has been not changed or not. So to check that, you can just copy it and just paste it here. So from here you can just see as here we are using a password. So to know the password, you have to just click here for your shop, like online shop or store. So from here you can see we can just go to a manage password option, and from here just you can just like manage the password. So like I'm doing here password as here as we can do example sample. Okay, sample we can do. So you can just disable it if you want. Okay, you can just installing. So this is how we can just do. So let's check. So we can just go to my store, and here you can see the URL has been changed. So you can just see from here. So if you want to just check in our home page, you can just check. So we can just right click sample and enter, and this store is down here. So here you can see the store. Okay, we have changed the URL, our name URL, and if you want to change your business name, you can just change from here. So you can just go to edit and you can just change your store name. So as per URL, we have to name like this. Okay, so we will name our business, our legal business name as this. Okay, and we have to add a phone number also. So I'm not adding for the video. So we can just save it. So as you can see, this name has been changed. We can just go to your billing information. We can just paste it and we can just save it. So it's like this. So this is, you can just change your URL name, and then you have to change this also, your store details also. So it is important. So Shopify will know that this is your site. So this is how you can just change your URL name on your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.